Hey guys. Okay, I know that you had your test yesterday, so hopefully you sent it to me so I could correct it. If you haven't heard back from me, you can ask me, Miss Jessica, did I get everything right or what happened? And that's fine, I can let you know because sometimes I can't correct it all in one day, okay? But today we're gonna do more practice with fractions, and to help you, Let's see, are we on the right page? Let me see. Yes, let's check your stuff, because it looks like wait a second. Today is Wednesday. You're supposed to be doing number 125. Okay, so then tomorrow you do 126. For some reason I have 125 on there again. Raro, I don't know why. Okay, so, let me just check one more thing here. We're good to go. Okay, so because I wanted to help you, because you're going to have another test on Friday, we're only going to do one page of review today so we can really understand the things that maybe you're confused on, okay? So I've helped you on your test now, hopefully, right? And now I'm going to, look, we have 18 problems to do today in math, and I'm going to do 5 of them with you. Okay, I'm making life fácil, but those other 13 problems by yourself are going to be, un montón de problemas if you don't pay attention to what I'm teaching you right now, okay? What I'm reviewing with you right now, okay? So let's do this thing. Number 1, letter A says 3 hours equals how many days? 3 hours equals how many days? Well, guys, let's look at that one for a second. How many hours are in a day? 24. So does 3 hours even equal 1 day? Nope. So your answer is going to be in the form of what? In the form of what? Fraction. Okay, if it's not a whole day, it must be a fraction. But let's do it. We put 3 hours right here, right? What do we put on the bottom, Frankie? Hour. What do we put on the top, Danielito? Day. How many hours are in a day, do they know? 24. Did I do it right? Oscar, is that right? Nope. 24 hours, 24 days does not equal 1 hour. You gotta be careful. Some of you guys are just putting that number wherever you want it to go, okay? It's 1 day equals how many hours? 24 hours, okay? 1 day equals 24 hours. So now look, I have to do 3 divided by 24. What? Can I do 3 divided by 24? Yeah, Michelle says 8. No, it's not 8, okay? 3 divided by 24, not 24 divided by 3. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in a fraction. 3 over 24, right? Now reduce your fraction. That's what it is, 3 over 24, right? So, how do you reduce this fraction? What are you going to divide by, Abiel? 3. Excellent job, buddy. 1 over 8. And that's your answer. 3 hours equals 1/8 day. Okay? 3 hours equals 1/8 day. I'm going to give you a piece step. Letters A, B, and C all are fractions as their respuesta. A, B, and C. But D, E, and F are all whole numbers. So let's look at letter D. Okay, 3/4 gallons equals how many quarts? So you put 3/4 gallons. What do we put on the bottom? Stuff here? Gallons. What do we put on the top? Abiel? Quarts. How many quarts are in a gallon? How many quarts are in a gallon? Mario? 4. Oops. Oh my, look. Okay, 4 quarts in 1 gallon, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna multiply because the 4 is on the top. And remember, the number that's not 1, if it's on the top, you multiply. But this time we get to multiply just like this, 3/4 times 4 over 1. Right? Okay. Then can we divide 4 and 4? Yes, we can. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we have 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 times 1 is 1. So 3 divided by 1 equals what, Oscar? 3. Woo-hoo. Good job. Okay? So that's our answer for that one. Let's look at number 2, letter A. Number 2, letter A. I'm going to call on Ethan to help me out on this one. Ethan, get ready, man. Number 2, letter A. Well, the very first thing I want you to do is I want you to try it by yourself, you guys, because this is very much review. Try it by yourself, and we'll check it together, and Ethan will help me. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. Ethan, can I divide anything? Can I divide 4 and 7 or 3 and 15? I can divide 3 and 15. Okay, 15 divided by 3 is what, Ethan? 5. So we put 5 on the big number, 1 on the small number. Now we multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 times 5 is what, Ethan? 35. Can you reduce any more? No, you cannot. Because your factors of 4 are 1 and 4 and 2. And your factors of 35 are 1 and 35, 5 and 7. And none of the numbers match up except 1. So that is your answer. Recuerdan that you can also do 3 over 7 times 4 over 15 and make a lot of work for yourself by multiplying without canceling. 3 times 4 is 12. 7 times 15 is 105, and then you reduce by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, 105 divided by 3 is 35. But see how many pasos that is? Too many, okay? So it's up to you what you want to do there. Look at letter D, letter D. Okay, what do we do when we're multiplying a fraction and a whole number? A fraction and a whole number. All you have to do with the whole number is write it again with 1 as the denominator, right? Go ahead and try that one, and then Frankie is going to help me figure this one out. Okay, here we go. So, what do we do? Divide, right, Frankie? 15 divided by 3, what's your answer, Frankie? 5 and 1. So then we multiply 2 times 5, Frankie? 10. 1 times 1, Frankie? 1. And what's your final answer there, Franklin? 10. Good, because 10 divided by 1 is 10. Bada bing, bada boom. And that is your answer. Now, for the very last one, we're going to go to letter J. Letter J. Jota. Okay, letter J. Last one of the day, and then the rest of them is up to you. Okay, here we go. What are we going to do, Dueno? Make this impropio. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 over 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3. Okay. Can you divide anything, Dueno? Yes, the 8 and the 2. Good. 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 1. 11 times 4 is what, Dueno? 44. And 1 times 3 is what, Dueno? 3. Now what do you gotta do, Oscar? Divide. Good. 3 into 44. How many times? That'll be 1, 3, 1, 4. 3 into 14 is 4, 12, 2 thirds. Can you reduce that anymore, Danielito? No. That's your answer, 14 into thirds. If you have any questions, let me know. But I do want to see you try, okay? Bye. Have a good day.